Hi, kindergarten friends. We are going to continue on with some math lessons, a little bit of a review, Unit 4, Lesson 8. These are our bugs. Remember, when you don't see a dot on there, these imaginary bugs are sleeping. Right here we've got 10 bugs sleeping. I'm going to put this like here, 10 bugs sleeping, and 0 are awake. When I turn one over, we've got 9 bugs sleeping and 1 awake. Then I turn over the next one, 8 bugs sleeping, 2 are awake. Those little dots mean that the bugs' eyes are open and they're awake. 7 bugs sleeping, how many are awake? 3. 6 bugs sleeping, 4 are awake. All of these add up to 10. Now, one more bug woke up. There's 5 bugs sleeping. Guess what? And there's 5 awake. That's called a double because 5 plus 5 makes 10. And then, right over here, I've got 4 bugs sleeping and 6 awake. 3 bugs sleeping and 7 woke up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many bugs are sleeping? And how many are awake? 2 sleeping, 8 awake. Now I've got 1 bug sleeping, 9 are awake. And then no sleeping bugs, all 10 are awake. And right here I want you to look at here. I put it so 10 equals 10 plus 0. 10 equals 0 plus 10. That's called a turnaround fact. The total is always 10, but here I started with 10 plus 0, and then I flipped it around and I did 0 plus 10. I did that on 10 equals 9 plus 1. 10 also equals 1 plus 9. I turned those numbers around. Now let's take a look at the 8 plus 2. 10 equals 8 plus 2, and I took that 8 and I put it at the end. 10 equals 2 plus 8. So then it started with the 2 over there, and that continued on with the 7 plus 3, 3 plus 7, 6 plus 4, 4 plus 6. But then look at, I got to the double. If I turned around the 2 5s, it would still say 10 equals 5 plus 5. Now, you have a couple worksheet pages that you're going to be getting out. Your first worksheet page is going to be page 242. We're actually going to do it together. So pause the camera and you're going to get that worksheet. Oh, never mind. 243, sorry. I have to put my glasses on, I think, next time. So you put your first name and your last name because that's one of our standards. And then what I want you to do is you need to use your pencil. I'm going to use a marker so that you can see it. Can you see it okay, Mark? My husband is the cameraman. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With my marker, you're going to use a pencil. I'm going to put my breakaway stick right there. And there's 9 on this side. And then there's going to be 1 on that side. Now I'm going to flip it around and I'm going to put my breakaway stick on this one right here, right after that first one. So 10 equals 1 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just like we showed over here. Now, 10 equals, and I'm going to go all the way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to put my breakaway stick right there. And we know that there's 8 on this side, and how many are over here? 2. Now I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to put my breakaway stick after the 2, 1, 2. Tell the adult next to you how many are over there. Write it down. I hope you wrote down an 8. Make an S and close the gate. Now, we did 9, 8. How many do you think we're going to need? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put your breakaway stick right there, a nice straight line. There's 7 on that side. How many are over there? 3. Now, we're going to flip those numbers around. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, put my breakaway stick here. 3. How many are over there? 7, because I will show you really quickly. 3 plus 7. I wiggle the 3, it's kind of hard. 3, and then I'm going to wiggle the 7, equals 10. Now we've got 3 more left. 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 and 4. Flip it around. I need to put my breakaway stick here, and then there's 4 plus 6. Pause the camera and try to do the last one all by yourself. I'll give you a hint. It doesn't have a partner. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Now, boys and girls, excellent. My husband's not going to stop the video yet because I want to tell you, don't get rid of this paper. We're going to do this one tomorrow. But you also have another worksheet, and it's worksheet number 245. If you're in Mrs. Anderson's class, you probably already did it at home or actually at school another day. So, boys and girls, go ahead and on page 245, why don't you choose to do, get to that page here, page 245, I want you to write your numbers 1 through 20 one time, and then skip the second one, and then the third one, you're going to start at 20 and you're going to write backwards all the way to 1. And then I want you to count the circles, write that number in the spot in the box, and then count the stars. And save page 246 for tomorrow. Thanks, boys and girls.